Clear.
Aurora State Tower, information, Mike.
There we go, parking brake is set. Seats and everything are good, doors, seat belts, everything's locked. Flight controls, we got left, right, up, down, and left, and right. Flight controls are free and correct. Is full. Rich fuel selector is on both. Fuel shut-off valve was pushed in. Throttle to 18. There's 18, so left mag, 50 drop back to both. Right mag, it's about 100 drop back to both. Yeah, that's good. Alternator, amps discharge, recharge. Annunciators are good, check full idle. Aurora ground, Skyhawk 172 Juliet Victor at Aurora flight training information. Mike, ready to taxi and like to remain in the pattern.
Sky 172 Juliet Victor, Aurora ground, runway 17, taxi via Alpha, base is 3,800, negative turbulence reported by a Skyhawk on the approach.
Roger at 17 via Alpha, 172 Juliet Victor.
Citation 7 Mike Delta, runway 17, taxi via Alpha, remain this frequency, clearance available, advise when ready to take off. Citation 7 Mike Delta, read back correct.
Okay, we're on tower. Okay, and we're ready to go. Aurora Tower, Skyhawk 172 Juliet Victor, holding short of runway 17, ready for departure.
Dock 172 Juliet Victor, Aurora Tower, roger. Make left closed traffic, runway 17, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 17, clear for takeoff, left closed traffic, 172 Juliet Victor. Landing lights on, strobe lights on. Final is clear. Runway is clear. Runway 17 is verified. Wheels on the floor. Instruments are in the green. Airspeed's alive. And there's 55.
Aurora Tower, citation 897 Mike Delta, ready for departure, runway 17.
Citation 897 Mike Delta, on departure turn left heading 030, runway 17, wind 160 at 10, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff after takeoff, heading 030, 7 Mike Delta.
Sky 2 Juliet Victor, make right close traffic. Traffic in trail, citation departing.
Right closed traffic, 172 Juliet Victor.
Citation 7 Mike Delta, traffic departure leg is a Cessna in the right pattern.
Mike Delta.
There's 900 feet, making our turn. Four right rudder. There's traffic pattern altitude right there. And we'll pull that power back.
Base 7 Mike Delta, traffic no factor, contact Portland departure, see ya.
Portland departure, good day, 7 Mike Delta, Flash Road.
Skyhawk 2 Juliet Victor, will you be requesting full stop taxi back?
Negative touch and go, but we would like to get the option to Juliet Victor.
Skyhawk 2 Juliet Victor, roger, runway 17, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, runway 172 Juliet Victor. Okay, downwind leg, check. Spacing is good, speed is good. Altitude, not too bad. A little bumpy. Instruments are in the green. There's the beam of the numbers. So we'll reduce that power. And we'll get those flaps in. And we'll get going downhill here. Kind of creeping in a little bit on that. That's fine. Come on, keep it going downhill. Let's get that turn going in. Reduce power just a little bit. Whoa! Just careful at the bank there. Below 85, flaps 20. And we're going to go with the 20-degree flaps for this landing since it's a little strong. There's the Vazzies. A little bit of a right crosswind. We're tracking pretty much down. Got a 10 knot headwind there. Not bad at all. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm happy with that. There's rotation.
Victor, affirmative, left close, traffic approved.
Left close traffic. be a full stop. Come on. Not bad. Got a little pushed around on that one there. That wasn't all that bad though.
Sky 2J Victor, you go back to parking?
Yep, we'll go back to Roar Flight Training 2 Juliet Victor.
Sky 2J Victor, roger, taxi the Alpha, remain this frequency.
Parking via Alpha with you, 2 Juliet Victor, thanks. Okay, clear the runway. Landing, strobe is off, lean for ground. Flaps are up, trim is set. Let's go. Clear right, clear left. We'll stuff her next to the 152, that's fine.